Yeah, it's definitely important to think about both of these factors because we know a lot of sun and a lot of wind can both cause that kind of dry, uncomfortable, chapped skin, our lips, face, hands, other areas that are exposed. So we definitely recommend that you moisturize your skin well. That can be in the morning, that can be afterwards. Sometimes if you've had a day when you've been in the wind a lot, just a nice layer of some kind of thick moisturizer or some kind of ointment like a Vaseline petroleum jelly, Aquaphor, something like that can help heal from the chapped environment from all of the wind. But during the day itself, definitely recommend sunscreen if you need to have exposed skin, but the very best is to try to wear sun protective clothing that also helps from wind. So that's like a neck guard or one that you can kind of pull up, sunglasses, hat, all of the above, gloves if possible, lightweight sun protective clothing also helps protect from the wind.